Hi, welcome. Simon here and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do a battery replacement on your Asus laptop. Here I have the battery replacement. The model for the battery is C31N1411. Okay, so that's the size of the battery. And here's the laptop. Turn it around. Take a look at the model number here at the back. You should be have the same laptop, UX305F. Alright, I'll be replacing the battery and I'll walk you through from start to the end. Here is the Torx T5 screwdriver. Let's go ahead and remove the screws. So if your laptop is not taking the charge, as soon as you pull the power adapter and the computer shuts off, then more likely the battery has gone bad. If your laptop is more than 5 years old, then it's more likely for the time to change out the battery. If you're not sure where to buy the battery from, what I'll do is I'll link them down below. Go check out the description down below. The link would be there where it direct you to either Amazon or eBay to get the battery replacement from. Alright, so once that thing is done, so I'm using my fingernail, tuck underneath the keyboard, the back cover, and try to pop it open. Unless there's a, is there like a screw underneath there? Sometimes they might have hidden screw. Yes, they do. So I'm just using a metal prying tool to pry open the two stickers. See if there's anything underneath here. There's none. Alright, so just the very top two of them. So once you pry open that little rubber stopper, you should be able to see the two Phillips screws are hidden underneath that. You need to use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the two screws. And you should be able to pop open that back cover very simply. Just lift it straight up. Okay, and this is the battery. So it's a full pack. That's the connector. What you want to do is just lift the connector up. So lift it up. It's just like a Lego. You snap onto it. To remove it, you just lift it straight up. Okay. Once you disconnect the battery, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. Remove all the screws. And that screw is a little bit skinnier, so use a tiny little screwdriver. It's a Phillips screw anyways, and both of them actually, and you can just lift it straight up. So that is the battery. You can replace it. Alright, here's the replacement for that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to align the battery, make sure it sits well all around the corner. Get the two tiny screw back on. If you have any questions so far regarding about this laptop here, please feel free to comment below. I do read a comment and I do answer through the comments. Okay. At this point, if you want to upgrade your hard drive, here is your hard drive. You can go ahead and upgrade that. This is a SATA M.2 SSD drive. This one here is your Wi-Fi. Okay, there's no CPU fan. It's just strictly one copper heatsink, and that should be it. Okay, and then here you just have to snap the connector back on. They're just like Lego. Once you have them aligned properly, just press it down and it would close it. Simple as that. Get the back cover back on, press it around a little bit, lock it in. Alright, two Phillips screw goes back on the top. Hey, if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So smash the subscribe button for me so that I know this video is helpful to you and you were able to change the battery by following along the video. Okay, and yeah, feel free to comment below. I do read your comments, and I'll try to answer you any computer questions. All right, just a couple more screws and we'll be all done. All right, so I need 3 more screws, and that should be it. All right, so thanks for watching again. I really appreciate questions, comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. What else I need to say? Oh yeah, do not forget to check the link down in the description below. That's where I find this way I'm going to put the replacement battery for you, and it will direct you to Amazon or eBay. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.